Hey yo everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I've seen where One OK Rock gave us a cover song. This song is called Die with a Smile. So I'll be reacting to this track today, this cover track by One OK Rock. This is actually not my first time hearing of this track, that with a smile. I think I've heard it like multiple times, but it's my pleasure to see what One OK Rock will do on this track because I'm excited. Like, I know he'll do it, I know he'll dominate, right? Because this guy is just a musical genius. So, with that being said, let's hear what is his intake on this cover track.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world were sending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time or not was through, I wanna hold you just for a while, and die with a smile. If the world were sending, I wanna be next to you. Lost, lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me. And no one love's the only word worth fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world were sending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time or not was through.
Guys, I ain't gonna lie. It is such an incredible voice. It gives me a reminder of the original song. I think it's Bruno Mars song, that song, and it's giving me the originality of the song, bro. This guy is practically amazing guy. With his voice, bro. His voice is so good. His voice is so powerful. Enchanting voice. It's giving me the chills. I ain't gonna lie.
I wanna hold you just for a while, and die with a smile. If the world were sending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh, next to you, right next to you.
That was impressive. That was extravagant. All right, that was bewilderingly amazing. You know, for this guy, his voice is just so original. His voice is giving me the reminder of the original. All right, and whenever time he pulls that note, it's giving the impression of the original. All right, I can tell that this guy is a really good singer. You know, One Ok Rock is also one of my favorite out there. The first time I've reacted to this man, I was stunned, like absolutely stunned. All right, but what he gave us just now is phenomenal. It's a great phenomenon to witness such greatness by this guy. All right, and to see this, to listen to this, it's making my day. And once music has the opportunity to make others' day, then eventually, what about others who are out there? Not just me, but the masses and beyond. That kind of music will always make people day. And not just the music, but also the musicians too. Okay? So people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video.